Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 0 authentication failed. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find the Roblox folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. This will delete all your saved cache in Roblox. After deleting this folder, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is to reinstall Roblox. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Find Roblox. Just right click on the Roblox and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just to close stuff here and open up Chrome. Search Roblox download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download done, you can install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.